For now, we will be designing now the G plus 19 story building for the earthquake resistant structure using the Etabs software, for which we have the design data as shown in the window. Now we will be opening the Etabs software, as in which we will be going to file, open. We have saved the model previously we have designed, for which you can go to the previous video uploaded by me. This is the plan of the building which we have designed for dead load and live load. Now we will be designing it for the seismic load also. Since we have run analysis on this, the model is now locked. We will unlock the model, and after this we will be using the seismic analysis, for which we will be defining the load pattern of seismic type, and the code is IS 1893-2002. We do not have any eccentricity on our building for assuming. Now we will giving the seismic loading on x and y direction only. We will assume that there is no eccentricity in our building, and as per our question, our building lies in the Bangalore city, for which we will be calculating the different values using IS 1893, which comes under zone 2. The Bangalore city comes under the zone 2. Therefore, the regarded information we have using the IS 1893-2002. Now we will going to the Etabs and selecting it 0.1 for zone 2, type of soil medium. So second, importance factor 1, and response reduction factor. Using the IS 1893 code, we get the response reduction factor is equal to 3. Since our building is RCC type, therefore we will be going for the value as 3, converting the value to 3. And now, okay, we have defined the seismic load. Now we will going to the response spectrum method. Define functions response spectrum, in which we will going for our code, that is IS 1893-2002, for which we will be typing response spectrum of zone factor, which is 0.1, and the soil type of medium range. Now we have defined the response spectrum function. Now we will be going to define load cases. In this we will add a new case, which is of response spectrum. Load case type, the response spectrum only, which we will be adding it, and acceleration for u1 direction, that is for x direction. We'll be changing it to response spectrum, and the value after calculating the acceleration, we get the scale factor is equal to Ig by 2r, which will be coming 163.1633.5. So putting the values in the Etabs software, that is for the x direction. Now we'll be adding for y direction also, that is the direction u2. Now we'll be adding it. Okay, for this structure we have added the response spectrum. Now we will not assigning this response spectrum to any of the building member of the frame. Just we are going to analyze the models. Our model has been analyzed and we can see the related displacements by moving our cursor at the different places. Now we will be analyzing the building, designing the building, concrete frame design, start design check. The software is taking time, for which you can forward the video and can see the last result which we have obtained in our video. If the member fails, we will going reiterating the process for the auto select beam and auto select column property, and it will be giving the related dimensions of the building. Now, as the 22 concrete members are failing, yes, we want to recreate. The design of element is taking time, so we will now end up our video here only. After this, after the analysis, the reinforcement detailing are being shown here on the window, which we will be showing after some time. In this, the reinforcement detailing are shown here. We can get it from here, or we can also generate the reports by clicking on the report, and after it going to the summary, double clicking on the summary, we will get the complete report of the building, for which the different dimensions as well as different reinforcing detailing all are given in that report, which we can go from here from the reports. After double clicking the report, and after that project report, in which we will double clicking the report, and after that we will be double clicking on the summary report. We will get the report displayed here, which we could not print since we are not using the commercial window, which is licensed software. If we get the licensed software, we could also print the results. Thank you.